Here in the Hyatt Regency O'Hare. Here we have some glass elevators, but here we have something way, way cooler over here. That's right, a non-glass hydro that goes 2 floors.
3 floors, actually.
Oh, 3 floors. Whoa.
This is way better than the glass one.
Oh, absolutely.
It's ginormous.
Yeah, this thing's hefty.
Why is it so big?
Jesus.
Let's see if we can roll it
Some
down.
weird rubber thing on the ground.
We can.
Ooh, dark and scary. He turned out the lights. Excuse me, we got a picture
Now, of
here.
course, in this elevator, it's not LL and L.
Yeah, they must have came to their senses by the time they put this one in. And this is the lobby level. 4,500 pounds. Ow. All right. Anyway. That will be it.